What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping in the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and get down there and click subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of this content coming your way. All this content I'm uploading here recently. But today I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before. It's going to be new to me, but it seems simple enough. So I went and trying to improve the look of the truck. So we're doing some LED today on the truck. Of course, we're not doing everything, but we're doing some stuff on the truck LED. Some of the more simple stuff, no headlights and stuff like that yet. But so I went and I figured this would help change the look of the truck. So I've went and got some smoked LED license plate lights off of Amazon. 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below for you guys for that. So excited to see how they look. I'm going to do that. Then I got some interior lights for above your radio and stuff, the two clickable lights above. And then if I got the right light, I got the one for the rear of the cab also. So we'll see if I got that right. So let's get started. Well, you guys can see that just looks so blah and dim. It just, ugh, that just sucks. But we are going to fix that today. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you how to pop this light out, which right there is the back and right there is the back. So it gives you plenty of working space too, and you don't have a spare tire up in here. But so to get it out, you need to pull the light out of the back of it. Got the little light out. Got the light out. Then come over here. And you see this metal tab right here? You need to pull on that. There we go. Just needed a little bit of cooperation. And there is your clip. And look at that. The light comes right out. Beautiful. Now to the other side. I went ahead and popped that one out. So you're supposed to pull the bulb out. Got it. Now I guess there's two different plugs on this, but it says to hook this into the bulb, where the bulb was. Oh yeah. These sockets are very tight. Ah, dang me. You just take it and sliding right there between where the lights were. You just put this little tab. Beautiful. Hold the light in and push the tab back in. Beautiful. Got the tab latched back up in there, and there, the light. There's the back of your light housing if you guys I want to see what it's supposed to look like. I'm probably just going to tape up this one because I don't have a clue what that's for. So, yeah. We'll go ahead and do the other side and wrap her up. And look at that. Man, them things are bright. LED. That looks so much better. So much better. And that's cool because when you shut them off, they are smoked. So, very bright. Like them. Can't wait to see them in the dark. You can see here they kind of just blend in with the bumper. Makes it look so much better versus that. Oh, that white. Which one would you rather have? Tinted or that? Oh yeah, got that installed. Now let's get on to the next one. Okay, actually I just saw this one over to grab the other lights. There's actually a little box that goes with this. What is it for? I have no idea, but I'm going to hook it in and zip tie it up or out of the way. Whatever this little box is for. It don't say anything on it, and the directions don't either, so. I'll just probably just zip tie it right up there with the oh yeah, guys, that is looking awesome, and that light is awesome too. Look at that. That thing is lighting them things up awesome. That thing is bright. Dang me. Look at that. Look at that Ram emblem right there. That looks sweet. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's really sharp looking. That's probably going to be the thumbnail now. That is sweet. But hey, a little teaser for the next day's video. I got everything emptied out of my bed and all the stuff tore off of it and the stuff tore off the tailgate. So just a little sneak peek. Something's coming here, boys. As you can see, there's two hooks on the bottom and then a little hole that it slides in the top. So pop both of these off and then slide that out. Got it. They definitely do not fit. Well. I guess we're moving on to the back one. There's that one. This one looks like it'll fit. And there we have it. There's the rear one, and this one is very hot. So guys, got everything installed. Sucks the lights weren't the right ones, but oh well. But these lights look awesome, and there is something coming for right under the bumper. Yeah, something for right there and right there. Yeah, but there's something coming for underneath the bumper. It's still in ship. It's been a while, but everything's backed up on Christmas stuff. But that is coming, and that will be something that I can be able to help you guys with. And I got a discount code coming for all that too, but I don't want to give it away till the product gets here and I get it installed. So yeah, I'm going to bring something to you guys, help you guys out, but hope that was helpful. I learned something, you learned something. So hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you haven't here before, go ahead and click subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content coming to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a blessed day, everyone.